Would you like to see your garage reach the height of technology? Then stick around for this video, you won't regret it. Urbit Transit has launched an innovative multifunctional bench designed for car owners and enthusiasts of various activities. This practical bench not only serves as a seat, but also functions as a tray and cart, making it the perfect ally for cleaning, gardening, painting, and many other everyday tasks. But we haven't talked about the best part of this equipment yet. Built with a sturdy steel frame, the bench can support up to 350 pounds, ensuring durability and stability with every use. Its EVA foam seat is at a comfortable height of 18.5 inches, making it ideal for sitting for long periods without sacrificing comfort. Additionally, its design includes 5 wheels that rotate 360 degrees, facilitating maneuverability on any surface, priced at $180. Who wouldn't want the Mycanic Tool Creeper plus Podlight combo? It's the ideal accessory for those seeking efficiency and practicality in their repair projects. This versatile cart not only provides storage space for tools and small items like screws, but also includes a high-powered round flashlight. This flashlight can provide up to 9 hours of continuous illumination and is detachable, allowing it to be used independently when needed. With a height of just 4 inches without the flashlight, the cart is compact and easy to store, making it perfect for workshops or tight spaces. Its smart design includes multiple sections that make organizing tools and supplies easy, ensuring everything you need is within reach during your repairs. Priced at $50. It's a revolutionary tool. The Doyle Air and Vac Station combines the functions of a vacuum, blower, and compressor into one wall-mounted device, optimizing space and providing convenience at home and in workshops. Its powerful compressor mode can reach up to 7 atmospheres, ideal for inflating car and truck tires, with a version that goes up to 9.5 atmospheres for superior performance. Impressive, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. What really makes it stand out is it's twice as powerful as a conventional vacuum, making it perfect for cleaning floors, carpets, and hard-to-reach areas. With a starting price of $2,950, including direct factory delivery, the Doyle Air and Vac Station is a valuable investment for those seeking a comprehensive and efficient solution for their cleaning and maintenance needs, redefining how to approach work with functionality and power in one device. Are you looking for an effective solution for your pumping needs? The Sealy TP6818 is the answer you've been waiting for. This electric drum pump combines power, versatility, and a smart design, making it the ideal tool for all types of liquids, from pure water to diesel fuel. One of the standout features of the Sealy TP6818 is its feeding capability, as it can be directly connected to a car battery if necessary, ensuring operation even in remote environments or without access to a conventional power source. The pump operates on scheduled cycles of 15 minutes, followed by a 30-minute rest, helping to prevent overheating and prolong its lifespan. Additionally, its lightweight design, weighing just over 4.4 pounds, allows for easy transport and handling, making it ideal for various applications. All this is offered at a competitive price of $597, making it an attractive option for those seeking quality and versatility in an electric pump. Transforming a garage into an organized and functional space is possible with the Satwall Panel Wall Organizer. This innovative system allows for the mounting of special plastic panels on the walls, providing the freedom to hang and store a variety of objects, from tools to spare tires. With an impressive load capacity of up to 1,000 pounds per square meter, the Statwall is robust and secure, ideal for supporting the weight of heavy tools. Pretty neat, huh? Its resistance to UV rays, oil, chemicals, and water ensures it will maintain its appearance and functionality over time, regardless of environmental conditions. The modular design allows for customizable storage according to user needs, facilitating access to items and maximizing available space. For just $100, a 24 by 48-inch panel can be purchased, an investment that transforms the garage into an orderly and efficient place. The set of Laser Tools ultra-fine flexible diamond-coated files is an exceptional solution for those seeking precision and versatility in their projects. Available on the Laser Tools website, this set includes 3 compact files, each measuring 7.5 inches in length with widths ranging from 0.24 to 0.59 inches. But the most amazing thing about this equipment is that these files are perfect for cleaning terminals, connectors, and contacts, facilitating tasks that require attention to detail. Their flexible design allows access to hard-to-reach areas, making the cleaning process more efficient and effective. At a price of $42, this set of files is an investment that guarantees high-quality results, making it an essential item for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Grip Clean Soap Dispenser is the perfect solution for those seeking effective and practical cleaning in the garage. Known for its powerful soap, Grip Clean easily removes typical grease, such as oil stains on hands, ensuring that dirt is not an issue. But what sets these tools apart from the rest is the dispenser, designed to complement a 3.7-liter plastic tank, is available for $17. This special soap, made with olive oil and containing dirt particles, not only cleans deeply but also has a strong lime scent that transports you to a Caribbean atmosphere, making the cleaning experience more enjoyable. The dispenser itself costs $59, making it a stylish and functional addition to any workspace. On the Risk Racing website, users can discover a practical and economical option for fluid storage: easy utility jugs. Instead of investing thousands of dollars in other products, these jugs offer an affordable and efficient solution. If you thought you'd seen everything this tool has to offer, you're in for a surprise. As the smallest model, the Easy Utility Jugs Easy 3 has a capacity of 11 liters and is priced at $40. It's important to note that these jugs are not designed for storing drinking water. They're ideal for storing oil, hydraulic fluids, antifreeze, and other chemicals. Made with thick HDPE plastic, the jugs feature anodized aluminum vents and a nitrile rubber seal, ensuring durability and resistance. The standout feature of the Easy family is its ergonomic design, which includes two handles and a special notch, making it easy to grip and allowing every drop to pour effortlessly. When the jug is nearly empty, the Easy 3 weighs only 1 kilogram, making it easy to handle. For those seeking a practical and effective solution for their maintenance tasks, the Laser Tools oil can with an adjustable nozzle is just what they need. Available on the Laser Tools website, this oil can is not only flexible and functional, but also features characteristics that truly make a difference. There is no doubt these tools are essential for any professional, and imagine being able to adjust the thickness of the oil stream with a simple twist of the cap. That's right, this oil can allows you to customize the application based on the task at hand, whether it's lubricating machinery or maintaining a vehicle. Additionally, its innovative design operates in reverse, making it easy to use in any situation. Made from durable PD plastic, this oil can handle even diesel fuel, making it a reliable option for various fluids. For just $21.50, you can purchase the 125 milliliter version and start enjoying a hassle-free maintenance experience. Driat's Garage is proud to present the most innovative car wash bucket in the world. This bucket is not just a simple container, it's designed to provide the best washing experience possible. Its grid at the bottom effectively filters dirt and sand, preventing those annoying scratches that can damage your vehicle's paint. Want to guarantee a flawless finish? With a capacity of 23 liters, this bucket features markers for both liters and gallons, along with a specially designed section for measuring automotive chemicals. This ensures you can achieve the perfect ratio of water and detergent in every wash. And if you don't want to carry it, no problem. The bucket comes equipped with wheels, making it easy to transport and even more practical. All this is available for just $40. In a world where innovation and efficiency are essential, Twinbush engineers have taken vehicle lifting to a new level with their impressive Robot 3. This scissor-style lifting system is distinguished by its slim profile, allowing it to slide effortlessly under sports cars when folded. Check this out. Unlike other lifts, the Robot 3 doesn't require compressed air to operate, making it a more accessible and practical option. With a load capacity ranging from 3 to 3.5 tons, this device is perfect for those who need to lift vehicles safely and reliably. The most advanced model of the Robot 3, which can lift cars to a height of 1 meter, is priced at $2,832. Responsible management of automotive waste has never been easier. The Garage Boss team presents its GBO 78 oil drain container, an essential tool for any car enthusiast. With a capacity of 12 liters, this handy container is perfect for those seeking a quick and clean method to dispose of their old oil. For just $35, this model includes a funnel that makes draining effortless. But its usefulness doesn't stop there. The tray is also ideal for handling antifreeze and other liquids, making it a versatile and necessary investment for any workshop or garage. At only 15 centimeters tall, the GBO 78 is compact enough to store easily, providing an effective solution without taking up much space. Garage Boss has designed this product with convenience and environmental responsibility in mind. The story behind the lift by Top Shelf is as inspiring as it is innovative. It was born from the experience of a father who, overwhelmed by the clutter in his garage due to his 3 children's sports equipment, decided it was time to reclaim his space. Thus, he created the lift, a lifting and storage system that has revolutionized organization. Let's talk now about what really makes this product special. Capable of handling up to 136 kilograms in its standard version, the lift becomes the perfect ally for those looking to optimize their space. Its operation is simple and practical, as it plugs into any 120-volt household outlet and features a 4.5-meter cable for added installation flexibility. Starting at $499, this system not only solves the clutter problem, but also transforms the garage into a functional and organized space. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.